Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We've had a little bit of time off and we're working our way through the holidays. We're done with Thanksgiving and now we are down to Christmas. And what's everybody's favorite part of Christmas? It's Christmas morning. And that's what we're going to make the drink today. So let's get started. First off, we're going to take about a half of a sprig of fresh rosemary. And we've taken the leaves off the stalk. And we're going to muddle that with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Remember, fresh lemon juice, fresh is best. If you're not going to use fresh, you just might as well regift it. We're going to go through, muddle that, see if we can't get a little bit of that flavor, a little bit of the oil out of the rosemary. And once we do that, we're going to start and we are going to put in there some gin. We're going to use 2 ounces, and today we're using Tanqueray 10. So that's going in there. Next, we are using pomegranate juice, and we've actually got about 3 ounces of pomegranate in there. So that's going in. That's going to give us a nice deep Christmassy red color. After that, we're going to give it a little bit of a push with a 1/2 ounce of Elderflower Liquor, and that's going in there. So now we've got everything in there we need except the ice to chill it. We're going to throw some ice in there. We are going to pop the top on the shaker. Give it a good shake. Chill it down. And now, we're going to take the glass that we've had, moving off to the side, chilling with crushed ice. We're going to dump the ice. We have a nice cool glass, and we are now going to double strain. You may like the taste of rosemary, but who wants a rosemary sprig stuck in their teeth? So we double strain, make sure we don't have any chunks of leaves in there. And the next and final piece is our garnish. We're going to take a sprig of fresh rosemary, and that's used to garnish. And that is our Christmas morning cocktail.
Ho, ho, ho.
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 Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Well, why, thank you, said one of Santa's elves.
Nice.
It's tart, it's refreshing, it's like
Yummy.
yummy. If you like it, like and share on YouTube, and don't forget we're also on TikTok. The address is right below. Thanks everybody, drink responsibly and have a happy holiday. Merry Christmas.